Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to withdraw your USDT from Gemini to Revolut in 2025, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but we'll go through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a thing. First off, why would you want to do this? USDT is a stablecoin that's great for holding value, and transferring it to Revolut lets you easily convert it to cash or use it for everyday spending. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have a verified Gemini account and a Revolut account linked to your bank. Also, check that your Revolut app supports USDT transfers. By 2025, most versions should, but always double-check for any regional restrictions. Okay, Step 1. Log into your Gemini app or website. Head over to the Wallet section and select USDT from your assets. You'll see an option for Withdraw or Send. Click that. Next, choose the withdrawal method. In 2025, Gemini might have direct integration with banking apps like Revolut, so look for an option that says Bank Transfer or to External Wallet. If it's available, enter your Revolut account details. This could include your Revolut IBAN or wallet address. Make sure it's correct to avoid any delays. Now, for the amount. Decide how much USDT you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, especially if it's going through blockchain networks like Tron or Ethereum, so factor that in. Once you've entered the details, review the transaction. Gemini will show you a summary, including fees and estimated arrival time. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify with two-factor authentication for security. After that, the funds should be on their way. On the Revolut side, keep an eye on your app. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. One quick tip. Always use the latest app versions to avoid compatibility issues, and never share your private keys. If you run into problems, Gemini's support is usually helpful. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Gemini to Revolut in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.